Hello friends, so welcome back my channel Smart English Hub with Preeti. So I'm here with about my journey, how I start to communication, how I learn that language, and how is important that language. If you want to achieve anything, so first you start speaking English, because if you are not speaking in English, so I think that scenario, that genre is not for you. If you are going anywhere, so this language is must. If you are going for any kind of interview, so this language is must. And if you are going your kids school as well, so there is a mandatory language nowadays. Like if you are going in your child school, so like if you are talking in English, so they are just thinking like you are an impressive quality, like that you have a good personality, like that I've seen like many everywhere you go, so they are asking, they are judging you by their, by your speaking. Without speaking they are not judging you. I seen like I can see actually, I think people want to learn that language, but they are thinking how they will learn that language. Sometimes it's happened, they are thinking like it's a tough language. I think this is, it's a language, it's not a thing like, so that everyone can learn everything nowadays. I can't say like I'm also learning that language, so I want to become an advanced. So that is why I try to make it a new things for me, for in my journey. Like before that I was start first when I start my journey. Actually I start my journey before 3 year back. So that time actually I'm just applying job, remote work. So that way like I'm searching a platform where I can connect to the people. Then we get the environment. Like actually first we have to get the environment, how to connect to the people like who are talking in English. So that I got a one platform, that is the S Fluency platform. So where I connected to the people, they are the strangers like that. So you can connect them, you can start talking with them. This is the first I start my journey from that. And I'm talking to them, how hi, how are you, what's your good name, like that. You can start with the basic. This is the basic, I think, if you learn that language. So this is the basic. Hi, how are you, what's going on, what is your name, you belong from which city, what is your profession. So you can say speak like this. So somehow I start my journey from that way. And then after 1 month actually I start with the S Fluency with free. First because I am searching all the platform where wherever I got the free, so I enter the that kind of platform. Then I got this platform, so I used to start with free platform. Actually they are giving the 20 minutes on that time for the female person. If you are a woman, if you are a female person, so you are getting a for 20 minutes over there. So you can connect to the people with free. That time S Fluency is a good app, and nowadays also is a good app. But after completing like 1 month actually I'm using free. Like I think 7 days I try to use free. After that I think like I have to start upon working upon my skills. So I used to 1 month I'm using properly. It's I try to make it at least 20 minutes, any conversation, any one conversation. So 20 minutes I'm conversation over there. And then I quit, because I think on that time actually I think actually my kids was very small. So that is why I didn't need of too much, like I don't think about too much like I have to learn that language. But for the interview purpose I just start to learn that language. That After that actually I was working as a freelancing, so I'm not continue this language journey. But after nowadays actually my babies are grown up, so I think I have to start journey, I have to start improving my skills again. It's not about to improving skill, actually I am thinking about the job. So somehow I just applied some jobs, so where I seen like I just applied lots of remote work. It's not a lots of, actually I just applied a remote work by LinkedIn and by Naukri.com. So many platform I used to apply for the job. But actually when I said to them like I have a huge gap, so that time they are saying like you have a gap, so we can't give the good opportunity to you. And if you are looking a remote work, so remote work I don't have like that. So okay, then that time I leave everything. That time one interview I just applied. Actually this is the MNC's company. This company name is Visa. So there is a interview is going on always. So there is a they are offering a good salary, 75,000 rupees like that. So I applied there by the online. It's a remote work actually. So I applied there, but somehow I qualified by the aptitude test, but I am not qualified in the English written test. So that time it triggered me, I have to improve myself first. If I improve myself, so definitely I will get better opportunity, maybe doors will be open somewhere. Because I want to do work, like sometimes it's happened with everyone, I think so, like who are working before. So they are thinking, how can I start their work, how can we start our journey like again. Actually every women want to become a independent. I think 90% want to become a independent. Like some are already independent, some are not, but she wants to become a independent. But some problem, like sometimes family problem, sometimes kids problem, sometimes they don't have a time with the family, sometimes they are always surrounding with their family. So that is why they are not getting too much time for their career and for their journey. They can start something and they can continue their journey. It's happened also with me. Like actually I got two kids, constantly I am getting two kids, so that is why I didn't get too much time for start working. Then I start on that time it's triggered me, like I have to start working upon my skills. So like if I upskills, so definitely I will get better opportunity, maybe doors will be open somewhere. Whatever I want to do, can start my journey. So that day, like I seen myself, I have to start working upon my skills. After that communication, so first I start from the S fluency I already using, so that is the free for me. Actually I looking for the MNC's company, so that is why I think like I have to connect it with the other country people. So that is also helpful for me if I am getting a better opportunity for other country people. So that is also I can understand to the that accent also how they are talking. So that way, like I start searching on the Google, like where we can connect to the other country people. So I got a one platform, so that is the Episodent platform, where we are connected to the other country people. They are also the co-learner, but actually we can understand the accent also, like we can face the camera also, how to connect to the people and how to they are talking and how we are understanding. Actually sometimes it's listening is important, we have to listen to other, so we can also learn that language. So I try to connect on the Episodent platform. After connecting by the Episodent platform, I'm using this platform. Starting I just used that platform. Then I think doors will be open somewhere, like if you are working your skills or anywhere if you are working, so I think doors will be open. I also seen myself, like I'm starting this language, so I think doors will be open for me. So then I got one platform that is Episodent. So I'm connected to the people with the other country people. They are also co-learner. I'm the co-learner, so I'm talking there. Actually this platform is the lacking point is that we are connected for the 7 minutes only, we are not getting too much time. Like it's there is a like one thing is good in that platform, like if you are talking to the people on badness day, they are giving the premium time. If you are a good user, if you are getting if you completed more than I think 50 or 100 sessions, then you are connected to the people again and again, and you are getting more time, more than 7 minutes over there. So I used this platform. Then I see many videos on the YouTube, like many YouTubers are coming on the YouTube and they are just creating a podcast. They are talking to each other, some kind of topic, some kind of discussion they are doing. So I seen to the people how they are talking to each other. That triggered to me, maybe I have to start my channel. Might be it will be monetized, it will be flourish, so it will helpful for me. Maybe some doors will be open for me. It's a side hustle, it's not a full-time hustle like for me. Because I'm working upon my skills, so I start my YouTube channel also. Then I start my YouTube channel. I think like how to upload the video, what video I have to upload, because I don't know how to upload the video. I know that like how to use the app YouTube, but I don't know how to create the video. but some on that time, I'm already using the episodal platform, so where we are already connected to the people. So that talking I am not recorded before that, but after that I think I have to record it there, because I have already know that how to use the streaming, how to use the streaming like that, like how to record the stream. Everyone I know that, so I think I have to start the recording of my YouTube channel. I have to start the episodal platform recording. So I find out many software, like it will take almost 10 to 10 days, 5 to 10 days it will take. It's too hectic for me, but I will find out everything, how to get any kind of platform where you can record the that video, because there is no accessibility. I can enter and I can record the session. I just find out some software, then I recorded that video. After recording, I start. Second part is come to the editing part. How to edit the video. I know that how to edit the video, but I feel like how to edit the video. So I find out the software. Then I got the some software. I use many software. Some actually I'm using a free software, because we are not getting earning. So we think like how to record the video, because we are recording. I'm recording the video, but I don't know how to edit the video. So somehow I got one platform, so where we are editing the video. After that, after editing video, I just start to uploading on my YouTube channel. So I know that how to use the keywords and how to describe how to explain and how to create a title like that. Everything I know that, so that is why it's easy for me. Like it will take almost 1 hour, 15 to 20 minutes. Sometimes it depends on the activity. It takes the time of the download. So I start my YouTube channel and I start to uploading the video. After that, later on, like I start. I think I'm just working on my skill, but I have to work, try to connect the Indian people also. They are already they are already creating a video how they are connected to us. So I see like many people are their channel, they are mentioning that they really want to talk to me, so I connect my video. But I think all the time I feel like I have to start to work upon my skills first. After working my skills, after completing with my first I have to upskills myself. So 1 month I just try to make it full efforts to improve my skills. So I used to in a regular basis this language, like sometimes when I got the time, like I try to talk my child also, and then I try to talk with the people, stranger people, and some I got a one platform where WhatsApp group was there. So we are connected, so many people was there, they are also learning that language, we are connected to them, and we are using this language regularly. We are getting new techniques over there also, how to improve. And then 1 month I am working upon my skills. Later on I start, I think I have to do new things, because whatever I want now, I just achieve that thing. Now I want to grow up, I want to upskills again. So I think I have to start with something new. Then I start to reading is the actually I think like I have to read it something. So that is also helpful for me, like for articulate the sentence. For sometimes we are creating a long sentence, so we are fumbling because of that, because we don't know, we are not familiar with this language. So that is why it's happened with me. Like I try to talk more in initially. Okay, I will tell one thing also. Like initially I talk to one people. So like actually I try to connect to the group. Before that, initially I just try to connect with the individual person. I didn't go for the group, because I'm hesitate like that. I seen like many people are talking, like how I'm talking from in there. So initially I am not talking with the group, but after later on I just start in the group communication. I just enter the group and try to Fluency is giving this facility also. This kind of formation was there. Like there is a their application is the created a group also. Our group room was there. So if you want to enter the group, you can enter the group and try to you just listen to other. and try to talk to them also. So like I got a one opportunity over there, then I start to communication in there. Initially I just fumble lots of, like I'm fumbling, like I'm trying to do more speak, but I'm not speaking more because of that, because I have some fear. Sometimes it's not about the fear, sometimes we don't know how to create a sentence, because we are thinking but we are not creating proper sentences. So on that time I'm just breaking the sentence, I'm creating the sentence but in breaking way, like I'm not creating a proper sentences on that time. So I try to use connected to the people, and I try to connect, and I just listen to others how they are speaking, and whatever they are speaking, I just take it out some keywords from there and try to speak out of that. And then I used to do that process in a 1 month, like I used it. So I think it's completed 1 month I'm using this language. And nowadays I'm just starting to reading also, because if I'm reading, so like that is also helpful for me for improving my skills. Because if I reading, so like sometimes it's happen na, like we are talking and we are discussing, we don't know the words, how to start talking. Sometimes we are using a same words again and again, so that is removable, that is removed by the reading, I think. So that is why I start reading from yesterday only. And I just bought a new book. This is the Ikigai. So I try to make it, actually you have a goal. If you have a goal, so you can learn that language. If you don't have a goal, so I think nobody can learn the language. Because I am learning this language, so I know I have a goal, because I want to achieve something within a 3 months. So that is why I am immersed, I immersed with this language, I indulge with this language, because I want to achieve something. So that is why I'm learning that language. But I think every women's or every people have learned this language, because now scenario is that if you learn that language, so you can go anywhere, you can face anyone. If you don't know this language, so like sometimes it's happened, like we are not facing to others like who are speaking well. That thing is also like initially everyone have a, like I'm also bound to me, I'm also stick with me. I don't speak in Hindi, so try to speak always in English. Nowadays I am just thinking of the in English also. It's come with me, because I am trying to make it, I'm creating an environment to English only, like I'm creating the that kind of environment. So I am just talking with my kids, sometimes I am talking with myself also. So it's not come a one day, it will take time. I think I will take 1 month, but you have to stick yourself how you start this language. So like I have completed 1 month this language. Now next month my target is that like when I talk to anyone, so I will be start I will be create a good sentences. Sometimes I'm using new words but I'm not using, but this month I try to make it at least 5 to 10 books. I try to complete it, like if maybe 5 I am not sure about that, like I will be completed 5 or 10, but I will try to make it at least 5 book I will be completed. So that is also helpful for communication journey. And I think I would suggest to everyone, you have to learn this language. This language is must nowadays for your kids' school, for you, and for your life, for you become anything in your life. So this language is must. So I think this is too much for today. If you like this video, so please like and subscribe my video. Thank you so much.